Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact with the VRBO team. So let's get started right away. First of all, let's open up the web browser and then type in vrbo.com in the address bar and press enter. Now if you're not logged into your account already, you can click on the sign in button at the top section and then log in using your login credentials. Now once you're logged in, you will end up on the home page where you can search for various properties that you might be interested in. Just go ahead and scroll to the very end and then underneath company, click on about. Now from the about page, you will find the help drop-down menu where you can click on it and now choose from various different help sections. If you're a traveler, just click on traveler help, and if you're an owner, click on owner help. If you're a property manager, you can click on the property manager help section. After choosing your appropriate help section, you will be taken into the FAQ or help menu. Now within this page, if you simply scroll down, you will find the contact us button. Just go ahead and click on it, and now you can choose from various different topics that you want to contact them on. Simply click on your topic, and then you will be able to type in your message and then send an email to the developer team at VRBO. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to contact the VRBO team. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.